Today we're creating a two-tone stenciled wall. We're using a warm beige and a cool gray to create the two tones, and we're going to begin with the beige color. I started applying the beige color to the bottom half of the wall and just started blending upwards. Then I started applying the cool toned gray to the top half of the wall, and my first thought was to create an ombre effect and blend the two colors together, but then I decided to just create a sharp cut crease. Then to blend the colors together, I'm using our Persian tangled square pattern to kind of intertwine these colors together. I'm applying the stencil onto the beige area while stenciling in the cool gray color. Using such similar tones with different temperatures definitely gave such an interesting look in the end, and I seriously love the outcome. This is definitely a great way to add a little bit of uniqueness to any two-toned wall. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.